So now let's look at the main part of the lesson. So here we have a picture and it says complete the sentences. Now we've seen these sentences before. There are something equal groups with something in each group. So the first bit it's asking us to do is looking at how many equal groups there are and checking to see if they're equal. So we've got two groups, and in each of the groups we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. They both have 3 in, so they are equal groups. So there are 2 equal groups because there are 2 boxes with 3 in each group. Here we have 2 equal groups with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To make sure they're equal groups, we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They both have 5 in, so there are 2 equal groups with 5 in each group. Let's have a look at this sentence. We've got 1, 2, and we can already see that because these are in nice rows, that they are equal. And if you can actually, rather than just go 1, 2, 3, you can count in 3s because they're in rows of 3 or columns of 3. Alright, so we can count them quicker. 3, 6, 9. Let's check the other side. 3, 6, 9. So there are 2 equal groups with 9 in each group. And actually, to work out the total of that, if you wanted to, 2 times 9 is quite difficult, but if we swap those numbers round, 9 times 2, we can count in 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So we have, there are something equal groups with something in each group. We've got bananas. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3 in each group. We're not going to count in 1s, we can count in 2s to help us. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. So they are all equal. There are 3 equal groups with 4 in each group. Again, if you wanted to work out the total of this and you didn't know your 4 times tables, we could swap these around to 4 times 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. And remember, you can use your fingers to count in 3s because your fingers are split into 3 sections. So if I'm pointing to my little finger, I can look at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Here we have another question. There are 1, 2, 3 equal groups. If we wanted to count these quicker, we could count in 2s and go across. So 2, 4, 6. Or if you counted in 3s, you could go down. 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6. So they are all equal groups. So there are 3 equal groups with 6 in each group. You could count these quickly by looking at the pictures here, and you could just count in 2s all the way through the donut. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. If you are working these out and you want to find the total of each, so when you count you don't get lost, you could put a number 6 here because you've got 2, 4, 6. Then you've got 8, 10, 12, so you could write the number 12 down here. 14, 16, 18, and that's your total there. Here we have 1, 2, 3 equal groups. Looking at them, you can see they're equal. Let's count in 2s to see how many are in each group. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So there are 3 equal groups with 10 in each group. We can count in tens, 10, 20, 30. You could also swap those around, do 10 times 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Here we have a question here, and rather than thinking about just writing numbers, it's asking you to give a sentence, provide a sentence or an answer explaining how you know something. So it says the groups below are equal. True or false? Explain how you know. So we need to decide if all of those trees are equal. So we need to work it out. Do you think you can have a go now at seeing if those groups are equal? And once you are done, I want you to explain how you know. So I want you to write a sentence on how you know that they aren't equal. So you'd say, I think they are equal or unequal because. When you explain how, you use because. Okay? Pause the video and have a go now. Okay, let's have a look at the answer. It's false because the middle tree shows 9 apples. So there are 9 in the middle, and the other 2 trees show 10 apples. Because these two are 10 and this is 9, they are not equal, are they? Did you get the right answer? Please, could you have a go at the challenges on the worksheets?